guys, it's Natalie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Natalie. I'm your host. I am going to be driving the STI point of view. So this is like the last time you guys are probably going to see me. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I'm in the hood, the neighborhood, if you would. And yeah, I'm just going to go schmob it, smash on it. The reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because I personally love cars. Before I got my BRZ, I have a BRZ also, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, I also have a BRZ, and before I got my BRZ, I was obsessed. I could not stop looking at it, like on other people's profiles and stuff like that, like online, and I was just totally obsessed. So yeah, that is why I'm making this video for you guys, so you guys can see my point of view of an 07 STI. It has gone through so much. It's actually stock. It does have a stage 2 clutch and a lighter flywheel, but other than that, it is completely stock. When we bought the car from this guy from Sacramento, California, he totally fucked us over. The differential was an 03, so it just blew the tranny, and then after the tranny blew, the turbo blew, and pretty much almost $9,000 went into this car, so that is why it's completely stock. But yeah, you guys, I am going to be wearing this funky ass GoPro on my head. If you're looking into getting an STI, I would never regret this car. We've had this car for almost 4 years, including the BRZ. We've had the BRZ for about 3.5 years. We got this car 4 to 6 months prior to the BRZ, and the BRZ isn't stock, it has a full exhaust system, so maybe I'll do like a point of view on that one day. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below. I see a cat walking across the road, so hopefully I don't scare it. It's way over there. I don't think you can see it on the camera. This is how it looks with the camera, so let's see how it looks with the GoPro. Alright, is it recording? Hell yeah. Alright, I think it's recording. It was really hot, so oh my gosh, that's so squeaky. Okay, alright, let's go. Put down the window a little bit. I need the AC on, so we're gonna leave that on. And I'm gonna make sure, okay, it looks like the camera's on. I'm gonna take a photo of myself because I probably look funny. Oh yeah, I'm dead. Okay. Okay, I'm scared. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. I'm gonna actually turn off the AC for you guys, just because. Okay, getting through the neighborhood. I probably look so funny with from where I bought my BRZ actually has you test drive. It's so curvy. It's kind of going up a mountain actually. So it's kind of funny that they have you do that, but I mean, Subaru is a Subaru, right? Ooh, look at the view though. I'm gonna pull over. I'll stop the car real quick and take a little thumbnail. Oh fuck, and I'm gonna grab my camera too. Oh, whoa, oh my god. I stood up and I was like, whoa. Okay, Hey, I look so funny. Oh, I hate people. Is the trunk open? Oh no, what the fuck? That's a crazy gap. Never noticed that before. All right, let's go. Oof. Put my camera back. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, sorry guys. I had to flip right here because I want to turn around. I don't want to keep going on this road. I really don't know where it takes you. Actually, I can't even hear like if a car is coming, so.
Light skin, baby hair, but she do the most.